the ultimate solution for multiple Ticketmaster account management with FoxSims. Have you ever been locked out of your Ticketmaster account because you lost access to your email? Or perhaps lost valuable tickets or accounts for similar reasons? Are you tired of the hassle of using multiple browsers just to test your account's queue or to retrieve those essential access codes? Looking for a way to transfer tickets or manage several accounts effortlessly without the constant need to switch between emails? If these scenarios sound familiar, you're exactly where you need to be. Welcome to our ultimate guide on managing multiple Ticketmaster accounts with ease. This video is a must-watch for tickets brokers and professional event planners alike. In this guide, we'll be using FoxSims, a versatile platform designed for seamless management of multiple accounts. I'll walk you through managing 2 Ticketmaster accounts as an example. We'll explore how to verify these accounts using FoxSims and even reset passwords without needing to access your email. And the best part? FoxSims offers this service at an affordable rate, only $10.65 per month, with the option to manage anywhere from 1 to 1,000 numbers. Here's an important tip. If you already have a phone number associated with your Ticketmaster accounts but no longer have access to it, remember that you can always change it. However, keep in mind that Ticketmaster has certain restrictions. They won't allow you to change your phone number if there have been changes to your password, email, or phone number within the last 40 days. It's a security measure to protect your account, so plan accordingly. You can find the FoxSims domain name in the video description below. Let's jump right in. The first step is to get your numbers from foxsims.com. Simply log into your existing account, or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Ensure you have a balance in your account. You can top it up using PayPal or cryptocurrency. Now, let's order 2 numbers and put them to the test. To get the rental numbers, just click on Rent a Number and choose the service you need. In this case, it's Ticketmaster. Now that we have the numbers, let's go ahead and add them to the Ticketmaster accounts. You'll see how quickly the verification codes arrive, all without the need to access your email. Imagine you've forgotten your password or need to quickly join an event. With FoxSims, you'll receive all your codes on one platform, eliminating the need to shuffle through numerous emails. Here we have the codes, received effortlessly. We will sign out of the accounts and initiate a password reset using our numbers, which will remain active for 29 days, with the option to renew. Ready for us to reset passwords. Now, we'll opt to have the code sent to the phone number. You can always choose this option for actions like resetting your password, transferring tickets, or gaining entry to an event. You no longer need to rely on email. With FoxSims, all your codes are conveniently centralized in one platform, saving you the time and hassle of switching between emails or forwarding messages. In the Get a Number section, you'll find your one-time use numbers, while the Rent a Number section houses the numbers you have rented for ongoing use. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content.